You guys don't.
No, but...
Anything bad?
No.
I jumped at someone's load my gun.
Hey, shut the light off. Watch out the dog. Shut the light off.
Come here, Sydney.
Sydney.
Sydney, come here.
Come here, Sydney.
Sydney, come here.
Here.
Oh.
Dude,
Dude, that would have been so funny.
Sydney, come here. Come here.
Come here.
Sydney.
He's gonna try to like jump over. Aww.
Afraid of you, that's why. Dad, calm down. What do you mean calm down? Call him down.
Calm down. Calm down.
Sydney! Sydney, it's me.
Come here, Sydney. Oh my god.
Sydney! Go get him. Dad, you come in here and call him.
Oh my god.
Are you ready?
Sydney, come on.
He's afraid of the dark. Come on. Come on. He sees it.
Come on.
Sydney!
You got it bound at the top.
He doesn't see it. He's like, what is it?
Come here, Sid.
Aww.
He doesn't even know how to get through.
I'm just not for help.
Come here, Sydney. Come on. Sydney.
What is that?
Come on here. Come on.
He doesn't know, like,
Come on.
go under.
Oh my god.
Yo, I'm trying to think of other pranks that I
Top here.
It's too, like,
But when it was stretched out at like face level, they still saw it.
Oh no.
I know. It's too, like,
It's too boogered up. Boogered?
Sydney, stop
He's
it.
more serious.
No, turn the light on.
We did the whole thing.
No, we didn't.
Dude, why is it all wet over here? Ew.
Cause that's his nose.
Sit over here.
Ew.
It's the
Have you
dog.